Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can utilize the practice mode in the SoloLearn mobile application. So let us begin. So launch SoloLearn and log into your account. What you want to do, guys, is switch from the learning tab in the bottom left to the community tab here at the bottom, just like that. And after that, simply make sure that you select practice here at the top, not feed, but practice. And then simply swipe through that list here of programming or coding courses you can go with, for example, created by the community. And select the one, the practice lesson or course you'd like to go with. Like, you can tap into view more here, for example. And after that, simply go through these practices or training sessions here, for example, and participate in the one you would like to go with, created by the community of programmers. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.